Groundcover Revolution. How to use sustainable, low-maintenance, low-water ground covers to replace your turf, by Jentz. In England, a movement titled No Mow May is encouraging homeowners to let their grass grow in the spring to create habitat and forage for early season pollinators and to help the environment. In the United States, a growing chorus of gardeners and landscape professionals is questioning the wisdom of grass lawns and calling for alternatives like ground covers. In a 2019 report on the impact of lawns, the Audubon Society concluded, the endless mowing, blowing, fertilizing, and irrigation involved in turf maintenance results in a hefty climate footprint. To make matters worse, the country's 40 million acres of lawn, our largest irrigated crop, offers little to birds and other wildlife. Replacing your lawn with native trees, shrubs, and ground covers not only can slash your landscape's greenhouse gas emissions, but also coax birds back to your garden. And they'll look great, too. The Audubon report suggested a gradual chipping away at lawns by enlarging existing planting beds and replacing a path of turf each year. In Groundcover Revolution, urban gardener Jentz introduces 40 alternatives to the traditional grass lawn, from evergreen bugleweed and perennial pussy toes to the easy-to-grow stone crop and weed-suppressing dwarf comfrey. The right ground cover will not only provide an attractive setting around a home, but nourish troubled soils and crowd out unwanted plants.